Guys, good afternoon. 1st of December 2017, and right now it's about 2 p.m. and I am little delayed to make my video, and the reason is I'm not feeling too good today, and still I thought it's I must make my video because I believe being committed all throughout. So let's see here. This is Nifty, right? Nifty is in the downtrend. You can see, as I told you, the moment it crosses, 200 moving average, the 10 moving average and the 50 moving average, I have negative bias only, right? So as I told you, yes. So somebody has asked me that I made this video over here, and I was saying to me, my bias was positive. I was saying I was I remember the day before I made the video a little early. I made it about 10:30, quarter to 11. And this was the scenario on that day, right? This is where we were here. So to me, it was taking a support on 200 moving average. Candle was above, and I said if the candles close and the moving average crosses above, then my bias will be positive. Otherwise, it will not be. That was my statement. As you can see, the moving average did not cross, right? Since the moving average did not cross, it basically, the bias, I mean, I was not on the platform on that whole day. It means simply that, I would have instantly changed my bias had I seen this beautiful resistance. So Nifty is heading down. Let's see where it stops. How do we look into that? Let's look into here what's happening in the option chain. So option chain shows me highest open interest at this level, right? And also I think this is the highest level. So 10,300 is the next, target that we can see, but before that it has to reverse. So surely it's not going below 10,000. Where is it right now? 10,219 or 18. It's not going below this level. That's what I can see from here, right? If it is not going down from here, it definitely has to move up. If not today, it will move up in a few days, right? So, and as it is, I feel, if Nifty has had a good run up, it should consolidate also. People should book the profit also. Otherwise, there will be an instability at higher level. It has instability. So, I want to. I mean, today has been a very, very nice day. I mean, one is that we have traded in RBL Bank and see the beautiful run up of RBL Bank today. One of my member has traded in Simco. Simco. This is VIP clothing. So this we gave on Stock Pro Rockers, if I remember correctly. We gave this one on Stock Pro Rocker. No, Stock Pro only we have given it. Yeah, here, see. Here you can see we gave in the morning at about what time did we give it? We gave it somewhere here. We gave it at 10 o'clock, right? 53.4 rupees. And do you want to see what was that time? So this is roughly about 11. You can see the time above, and we gave it somewhere here, right? This place. This is when we gave 53 point something. It was right here. And see this run up that has come up. This was the beautiful run up that this stock has given today from 53.5 to 63, right? About 10 points, about roughly about 20% in one day. I think it's a beautiful and excellent return. And people like those who have, those who have accounts in Astha and all, they can take leverage if they can see such a beautiful trade. My members have found this trade called City Union Bank, right? See, look into City Union Bank. It's just been up in uptrend beautifully. Then one more stock that we gave on Rockers was Vimta, VIMTA. I want to show you here Vimta Labs. This was the run up. See, we gave it at 130, 39 or something like that, right? 140. And it is at 163. There is no trading happening in this, you can see. right? Because there is no, there is no seller in this particular stock, and such a reasonably valued stock. If you invest in this 14,000 rupees, you have 16,000, 2,000 you've made in a day. I believe that's the most, I mean, and such a safe investment and such a safe return. I don't think so you will get it anywhere else, right? I will take you to my, other stocks, and I want to, I mean, I'm feeling very happy. Once upon a time I gave you JVL Agro, and this stock, almost did not perform for good some time. It was horizontal. See, whenever it's like this horizontal, you all get impatient, and I'm 100% sure all of you have exited it, right? Because nobody has the patience, right? So this is how it has gone up today. Now it is in the upward journey. Then one more stock that was, which fell massively was coffee. Was Coffee India. No, coffee. Coffee Day, right? You remember where did I give it to you? And there was a huge uproar, where people were saying that it's actually within a few days. We gave it somewhere here. We gave it here at this point, 244 or 248. And the next day onwards, it fell to about 200 level. Today it has given a breakout. Had it not happened, had it not been news driven, we would have got this run up that very day itself, right? But when there is a news, you can't do anything. There is nobody can handle that. Nobody can actually predict also, and nobody can. This is market. We are sitting in the market, and one of my member was holding it. Today she has even it even touched to 83 in one single day from here to 49, exactly same point where we gave it went up to 283, and I'm sure she is in good profit today. So what I'm saying you that our analysis, that is that pinpointing, like that accurate until there is a news which we can't do anything about, right? So what I'm saying, tomorrow I'm beginning my next course. Tomorrow I'm beginning my next course, and I'm really looking forward to see you all. To see you all, like this is the opportunity. Next opportunity will be next, month. January will start sometime. So, many people have been asking me that they have a good capital. What should they do? I say that do safe trading. Don't do, investing, safe investing. Invest for 2, 3 days. That's also called trading, short-term trading, swing trading. Do that, and within a day or two, get about 10% profit, right? And your capital is safe. Even if some stocks do fall, they won't fall. Keep a stop loss of about 3 to 4% or 5%, and the profit should be about 10 to 15%. And the way we do it, you will see, beautiful run up coming up in them. They will never deceive you. One of the stock that I am holding right now is High Ground. Look at this beautiful run up. Then another stock that I have been holding where there is no trading happening is Videocon. It has no seller, right? Look at this. This is how it is. Then another stock that I'm holding right now is I have penny stocks only, right? In this platform I don't keep much money, so I want to show you HFCL. This is another stock that I have, right? This also looks very good to me. Another stock that I have is Trigen. Trigen, yesterday we did it, today it's little down, but I'm 100% sure it's gonna go up, right? So these are the stocks, that we have on our radar. And one stock, how I could miss it, Ramkey. Again it gave a run up today. Today again it gave a run up. See the beautiful run up, right? Your money, I mean, we gave it at 99 rupees and it is 224 today, 230 also I believe it touched today, right? What, how and where will you get such a huge return, right? So really I'm waiting for you all so that you can all learn and earn and be confident about the market, right? Don't enter the market if you don't know it, right? Let's see quickly the bank nifty. I think it's gone away because, yeah, Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, December future. Let's see what's happening. It's slightly down, not massively down, but slightly down. So Bank Nifty is also, see, they both have the same structure. Nifty and the Bank Nifty always will have the same structure, right? So exactly same. Can you see? And you can see, you can always decipher by looking at exact same thing happening. You know, like this is back testing for you. Now I want to see from here where could be my stoppage. Let's say 1 day May, what has happened? See, this 50 moving average is behaving as a support, right? It's not breaking this point, 10,183, right? Hopefully if Monday, like something like this, you see this is a fall that happened, and then it is going up. So, you know, I always say the best trades are the trades of falling. You know, like when the market starts falling, do the trades in the direction of the market. If you can understand and decipher the direction, see how much time did it take to go up. It took a good amount of time here to go from here. Just a sec. It took a great amount of deal to go from here to here. How many days? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 18 days to reach here, and how many days to come down? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days. 7 days. Just in only few days it came down so massively. Again, you see from here, it went up from this level. From this level, it went up in these many days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 days. And how many days it took to fall? Just 2 days, right? So always, whenever there is an uptrend journey, it will be very slow. But downtrend will be like somebody dropping it from the height. So always catch these momentums. These will give you money like anything, right? Somebody was asking me, always talk about buying. So I do talk about selling also, but not here, not on the open forum. That is only part of my webinar one, and that is also part of my Raucous channel where we do some stocks. I mean, we buy put or we sell them. So that is how we trade. Okay, so so I have talked about VIP clothing. I have talked about Vimta. I have talked about Coffee Day. Did I talk about VIP clothing? That I gave you Vimta. That is one stock I gave on Rockers, Vimta Labs, right? I did talk about it, right? This was the run up it gave today. Just look at it. There is no trading happening in it right now. So if you want to learn this kind of a trading, please join the webinar starting from today. Although there has been a huge response already, I don't know how many more we can accommodate, but I'm looking forward to see you all. Every single person out there should be, if you want to be in the market, please learn it. You know, and this is my favorite stock. Today I saw a huge buying coming in JBMA also. This is JBMA, right? So JBMA is also almost like a monopoly stock. Now when can you do the buying? When the price go above this, right? This barrier is crossed, then you can look for an entry over here, because this is the level from where time and again price rejection is happening. So once that barrier is crossed, 562, you can look for an entry, because that time 10 moving average will also cross in the upward direction. Okay, so these were a few stocks that I wanted to talk to you. And let's quickly glance at Nifty again, but I don't see major changes happening in Nifty. But I'm 100% sure in the coming week there will be some kind of a rebound that may happen, right? So with this, I'm going to sign off, but I'm really waiting for you all, every single person there, because if you want to be in the market, we gave Anant Raj as well. We gave Anant Raj also, right? And see, it's been just going up. Now, if you want to ask me, where will you exit? To me, whenever the candles touch to 10 moving average, that is when I would think of exiting it. See here, at this point, candle touch 10 moving average, and the next is the piercing candle. Exit your trade. Until candles touch 10 moving average, you don't need to worry. So over here, candles are touching, but they are not crossing. they should cross in the downward direction. So here you can exit your trade, right? So you have to watch candles. There is a huge distance between them, and we gave it at about, I think, 659 rupees, I believe, right? We gave it at 59 rupees somewhere here, right? And it has already given you a return till 66. That means 6 plus 1 7, 10% return it has given you in 1 2 3 4 5 6 days, right? I don't think so you will get this kind of a return anywhere in the financial sector, right? Identify the correct stock and hold it tightly till you get about 10 to 15% profit, right? Nifty may go up, Nifty may go down, but your profits always will be in the upper direction. Oh, how I forgot to show you. See here, this is one of my members' portfolio. So see here, Simco Limited. Simco Limited, he bought at this point, right? This level, right? Simco level, he bought it at this. Proceeds are this. Eclux, he's bought 1,31,000. It's at 134,000. Then Ganesha Housing, see here, 20,000 rupees, 23, no, 14,000 or 15,000 rupees profit here. Everywhere you can see there is a 18,000 rupees profit here. You can see there is a good 19,000 profit here, 15,000 profit here. You can see here there is good 1,000 profit. So everywhere, I mean, do you think you will take some time to recover your money? I don't think so. Another member has also sent me a snapshot. So we have given all these calls today itself. GC, Make Money, Tokyo Plast, and Vimta Lab. So Vimta Lab only has given a huge profit. Of course, there are some in the losses, but they will take a day or two to turn positive, right? So trade like this, you know, your money is safe. You don't need to see here and there and sit, rack your brain every day to earn money. You don't have to. You have to just identify a day before, or even in the, you know, market, when the market is going on, and invest in them and sit outside. Enjoy the benefit. No pain. You know, like intraday is a pain. You know, I mean, I'll tell you what. Today I did one trade. You know, I'll show you what my trade was, and I want to show you how it was bad. So I'll show you what I did. You know, see, here is the Syndicate Bank. I sold it. I sold it at 92 rupees, right? But my stop loss was about to hit. I exited it, right? And show you why is it so? Why is it so bad? So I did trading. I traded because I saw this resistance being happening, right? I saw this resistance happening and I entered somewhere here, 92 point here. By the time I could catch it, it went up, hit my stop loss, and then came down. It went up, then came down. In a day only, it has oscillated 10 times. Went down, went up, then went down, then went up, then went down, and this is how it's going. Its tendency is to go down right now. But in intraday, even if you recognize a correct trade, it will invariably, I traded only in 15 stocks. So that doesn't, you know, like, that's not a huge number. You know, I don't keep money here much. So just 15 stocks. And that's also my stop loss was hit, just to see how this resistance is being honored. See this resistance, right? I was wanting to see how authentic this resistance is. The moment I entered, I had to exit. It went down a little bit, and then after that, immediately it just started going up. So I exited myself. So this is how I always avoid intraday trading. Buy stocks only which are, you know, properly, and keep it with the mind at least to keep it for a week or 10 days. And sometimes equity can be kept for longer duration also. But keep your stop losses short and, you know, targets high. All right. So I am waiting for you all. I'm really waiting for you to all join and earn the maximum benefit. Earn from the market. Never be in the opposite side of the market. Be in the right direction, whichever direction the market is going, right? And that you can only do when you understand the market. So with this, I'm signing off. Tomorrow is our, you know, first lecture. Not really a lecture, but it's kind of a lecture where we make people comfortable. We just tell them rules and regulation. And if you want to see how our setup is, just text, you know, a WhatsApp message. We will be able to give you a recording so that you can see how it is conducted. Based on that, you can make up your mind tomorrow, you can make up your mind on Sunday, and if you feel comfortable, you can join. All right. So good day. Bye bye. See you tomorrow. See you on Monday. And I would like to see you all tomorrow. Okay. Bye bye. And let's meet tomorrow at the webinar. Bye.